Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to change add to cart button text on WooCommerce. So you can see now in my local host or website that the button add to cart here appears. So to change the text here, go to your dashboard and log into your Wordpress account. Then after that, you can see now the dashboard here. Go to plugins and then click add new. After that, on the search plugins code, type code snippets. And after that, you can see now the plugin code snippets. Install it. So click install now and click activate. So you can see now that it's already activated on my dashboard. So after you activate code snippets, go to this plugin at the left side and click add new. Then in here, copy this code. And after you copy this code, go to this function and paste those codes. And you can add a title here, example, and then save changes. And click activate. Then go to your website again and refresh it. And you can see now the add to cart has been changed to buy now. There are several reasons why add to cart text change in WooCommerce. Here are some few reasons. Changing it allows you to personalize your online store and it align it with your brand's language and tone. Call to action. Yes, modifying the button text can help create a more compelling call to action by using different wording like buy now, add to bag, or add to basket. You can encourage visitors to take immediate actions and increase conversions. So, how to change buy now to add to bag? So, you go simply to the code again and change this text to add to bag. Copy this one and paste this one. And then save again. Then after that, refresh your website and it will automatically change to add to bag. Also, localization. If your online store caters to an international audience, changing the button text to a more region specific or language specific term can improve your user experience and make it easier for customers to understand and engage with your store. Aesthetic appeal. In some cases, you may want to change the bottom text to fit the design or layout of your website better. By using a different phrase or word, you can create a more visually appealing and cohesive user interface. Clearer action. If your product require a different action or process before adding them to the cart, you can change the button text to reflect that. For example, if you offer a product customization option or require users to select product variation before adding to the cart, you can change the button text to something like customize or select options. Urgency or scarcity. If you want to create a sense of urgency or highlight limited availability, you can modify the button text accordingly. For instance, using phrases like limited stock or only X left can motivate customers to make a purchase more quickly. Personalization. Changing the button text can help create a more personalized shopping experience. For example, you can use dynamic text based on the customer's browsing behavior, such as add to my wish list or save for later. Promotion and discounts. When running promotion or offering discounts, customizing the button text can draw attention to the special offer. You can use phrases like add to cart for 20% off or add and save now to highlight the discount. Unique selling proposition. If your store offers unique features or benefits, you can reflect them in the button text. For example, if you offer free shipping, you can use add to cart for free shipping to communicate that perk to the customer. Branding consistency. Yes, customizing the button text allows you to maintain consistency with your branding voice and messaging throughout the shopping experience. It helps reinforce your brand identity and make your store more memorable. Enhance user experience. By changing the button text, you can provide more descriptive information about the action that will occur when the button is clicked. This can help users understand what will happen next, leading to a smoother and more intuitive shopping experience. Differentiate from competitors. Customizing the button text allows you to stand out from your competitors and create a unique selling proposition. By using distinct and compelling wording, you can differentiate your store and products, making them more appealing to potential customers. So that's how to change add to cart button text on WooCommerce. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.